you want to improve your Setswana vocabulary? Then you are in the right place. Hello Setswana student, dumela moithuti wa Setswana. Today we are going to do common nouns for people and places that we found right here in Botswana in order to boost our vocabulary. If you enjoyed the last lesson of Setswana names and meanings, then I promise you that this one is also going to be fun. Let's get into it. Common nouns, maina kakaretso. Ke maina a akaretsang dilo tsotlhe tsa mofuta mongwe kana ka letso lengwe. These are general names for things. Today we are going to do common nouns for people, batho. So we are going to do the singular part and the plural part. S for singular, P for plural. Child, ngwana, ngwana. Children, bana, bana. Boy, mosimane, mosimane. Boys, basimane, basimane. Girl, mosetsana, mosetsana. Girls, basetsana, basetsana. Elder, mogolo, mogolo. Elders, bagolo, bagolo. A man, monna, monna. Men, banna, banna. A woman, mosadi, mosadi. Women, basadi, basadi. Mother, mme, mme. Father, rre, rre. Or you can say ntate, ntate. Grandmother, nkuku, nkuku. Grandfather, ntate mogolo, ntate mogolo. A teacher, morutabana, morutabana. Teachers, barutabana, barutabana. A student, moithuti, moithuti. Students, baithuti, baithuti. Doctor or traditional healer, ngaka, ngaka. Doctors, dingaka, dingaka. Driver, mokgweetsi, mokgweetsi. Drivers, bakgweetsi, bakgweetsi. Worker, modiri, modiri. So we don't say babereki, we say modiri. Workers, badiri, badiri. Leader, moeteledipele, moeteledipele. Leaders, baeteledipele, baeteledipele. Pastor, moruti, moruti. Pastors, baruti, baruti. Passenger, mopalami, mopalami. Or we can say mopagami in Setswana. Passengers, bapalami, bapalami. Mostly is bapalami ba dikoloi. So it's from that word, bapalami ba koloi. Passengers of cars. If you look carefully here, you will realize that when words are singular and they start with mo, when they are plural, it's ba. For example, here, singular is mo, plural ba, mo, ba, all the way. So mostly in Setswana words, when they are singular, when it's mo, their plural starts with ba. Let's continue. Chief, kgosi, kgosi. Chiefs, dikgosi, dikgosi. A policeman or policewoman, or simply a police officer, lepodisi, mapodisi, police officers, mapodisi, mapodisi, a soldier, lesole, lesole, soldiers, masole, masole, a minister, tona, tona, president, tautona, tautona, author, mokwadi, mokwadi, or you can say mokwadi wa dibuka. Authors, bakwadi, bakwadi. Chef or a cook, moapei, moapei. So even here, like we said, words when they are singular, when they start with le, that plural ends up starting with ma, le, ma, le, ma. Let's continue. A boxer, ramabole, ramabole. A singer, moopedi, moopedi. A farmer, molemi morui, molemi morui. So molemi, someone who grows crops. Morui, someone who rears animals. A security officer, modisa dikago, modisa dikago. Modisa, someone who looks after something. Dikago, buildings. Expert, moitseanape, moitseanape. A news reporter, mmega dikgang, mmega dikgang. Mmega, reporter, dikgang, news. Scientist, ramaranyane, ramaranyane. A politician, lepolotiki, lepolotiki. A nurse, mooki, mooki. A poet, mooki, mooki. So these are different. This is mooki, this is mooki. An artist who draws, motshwantshi, motshwantshi. Fashion designer, moruki, moruki. Dancer, mobini, mobini. Or you can just say mini, mini. Carpenter, modiri wa logong, modiri wa logong. Or metli, metli. Modiri, someone who does something. Logong is wood. Plumber, modiri wa dipipe, modiri wa dipipe. Like we said, modiri, someone who does something. Dipipe, pipes. A runner or an athlete, motabogi, motabogi. For example, Tebogo Letsile. A football player, motshameki wa kgwele ya dinao, motshameki wa kgwele ya dinao. Motshameki means a player. Kgwele ya dinao refers to football. Cleaner, mophepafatsi, mophepafatsi. Librarian, mookamedi wa motlobo wa dibuka, mookamedi wa motlobo wa dibuka. Mookamedi, someone who's in charge of something. Motlobo wa dibuka is a library. Lawyer, mmueledi, mmueledi. Judge or magistrate, moahlodi, moahlodi. District commissioner, molaodi, molaodi. Herdsman or cattle header, modisa, modisa. Maid, mothusi mo ntlong, mothusi mo ntlong. Mothusi means helper. Ntlong is house. Builder, moagi, moagi. Businessman or businesswoman, mohwebi, mohwebi. prison officer, mookamedi wa kgolegelo, mookamedi wa kgolegelo. Like we said, mookamedi is someone who's in charge of something. Kgolegelo is prison. School principal, mogokgo, mogokgo. Vice or deputy, mothusa, mothusa. For example, deputy school head is mothusa mogokgo, mothusa mogokgo. Gardener, motlhokomedi wa tshingwana, motlhokomedi wa tshingwana. Motlhokomedi, someone who looks after something. Tshingwana is the garden. Lecturer, motlhatlhelela dithuto tsa university, motlhatlhelela dithuto tsa university. University is university. It's just direct translation. We are done with common nouns, so let's go back to proper nouns. Remember that in the previous lesson we said that proper nouns are names of people and places. In the previous lesson we covered proper nouns for names of people and their meanings. Today, in this lesson, we are covering proper nouns for names of places. Dikai tsa maina a mafelo. Places means mafelo. So we are going to start with cities. Ditoropokgolo. In Botswana, we have two cities, being Gaborone, which is the capital city, and then Francistown, the second largest city. So Gaborone City and the city of Francistown. Let's get into towns. Ditoropo. The first one is Silibe Pikwe. This one was known for copper nickel mining. The mine is currently closed, so the city is still transitioning. Another town is Lobatse. It is known for beef industry and BMC, Botswana Meat Commission. We also have Orapa and Jwaneng. These ones are diamond mining towns. Let's continue. We are continuing with proper nouns for places. Remember that when you write a proper noun in Setswana, you have to write it with a capital letter. Let's do villages. Magae. Maun. It is the gateway to the Okavango Delta and has other tourist attractions. The tribes that live in this village are Batawana, which are the dominant tribe, and Bayeyi, Bahambukushu, and Basara, being the San. Another village, but this one is, I think it's a town, it's Kasane. It is near the Chobe National Park and close to the 4-country borders. The tribes that live in this area are Basubeya, Bayeyi, Bambukushu, and Basara. Basubeya are the dominant tribe in this place. Another major village is Halape. It is the home to the Morupule coal mine and BUST, which is Botswana International University of Science and Technology. The main tribe in this area is Bangwato. Another area is Molepolole. It is the traditional home of the Bakwena tribe and it is densely populated. But many people are in this area. It's not just Bakwena. Another major village is Serowe. It is the home of the former president Seretse Khama and is rich in history and culture like all these other areas. It is the home tribe for Bangwatu. But like I already said, these areas, they have other tribes. It's not just Bangwatu, but this tribe is the dominant one in this village. Let's continue with other villages in Botswana. Mochudi. It's a historical village and headquarters of the Bakhatla tribe. But like we said, like the other villages, many tribes are in this village, but the dominant one is Bakhatla. Another village is Kanye. It is the headquarters of the Bangwakesi tribe. Like Muchudi and the other villages, there are other tribes in this village, but the dominant one is Bangwakesi. Khanti. It is a cattle farming area and gateway to the Kalahari. The tribes that are mostly found in this area is the San, Bimbasarwa, Bakhalagadi, Baherero, Batawana, and Afrikaners. The next place is Lehlakane. It is known for diamond mining like Orapa and Jwaneng. The dominant tribe in this area is Bamangwatu. Remember, there is Bangwatu and Bamangwatu. So the Bamangwatu tribe is also found in Tonota alongside Bakalaka. Another area is Shakawe. It is the access point to the western part of the Okavango Delta. The tribes that are found in Shakawe are Bahambukushu, which is the dominant tribe in that area, Baherero, Bayehi, and Basara. But there are other tribes. These are not the only tribes in this area. Other villages include Lerala and Mokwebeng. These villages are home to Batswapo. There are many other areas for Batswapo, including Maunatlala, Ngwapa, Lesenepole, Tumasera, Chadibe, Sefare, etc. And this is where I come from, Mokwebeng. Other villages include Bobono. This is the home tribe for Babirwa, but there are other tribes in that area. Another area, which is our last village that we are going to do, is Totome. It is the home tribe for Bakalaka. Remember that Bakalaka are also found in the city of Francistown, mostly, and also in Tonota. Remember, like I said, in Tonota we have Bamangwatu and Bakalaka, but mostly Bakalaka are found in Totome and the surrounding areas. I hope now you know about the villages in Botswana. If there is any village that I didn't add, you can add it in the comment section and tell me the tribe that is found in that area. Now we are getting to examples of districts. Dikgaolo. Previously, the Botswana districts were 10, but they were increased recently, so I'm not going to cover all of them. There are many. I think there are above 20. We have Okavango district, Chobe district, Botete district, Hukunzi district, Tsabon district, Moshopa district, Bubirwa district, Tonota district, Mahalape district, Gaborone district. If there is any district that is Kgaolo that I didn't include here, you can add it in the comment section. We have come to the end of our lesson of common nouns for people and places. I hope now you have learned about different common nouns for people, and also you are familiar with areas in Botswana, the cities, the towns, the tribes, the districts, and the villages. If you enjoyed this lesson, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also go and follow my account on TikTok. Remember to also like and follow my account on Facebook. Until we meet again in the next lesson, Sala Sentle.